Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Joss from Fortnite Lawless. So let's get at the top. We're going to draw like the cone head here, shoulders, hands on hips, and then a big baggy trousers going down this way. And go right up to the top here. What I'm going to do, draw a little curve for the top of this cone. Like that, little arc there, okay? That's in the center. And what we can do now is just come outwards either side of that. So left hand side, come down diagonally to the left. On the right, come down diagonally to the right. Okay, that's the top of the cone. Little curve here. And then we can come down this way. Down here, it's like the bottom of the cone. Come in. And this side, sort of there. Come along this way. Come in. Then there's like a little lip. I'm gonna draw this like the edge of the cone. Either side of that. Then I'm gonna come inwards this way. One line here. One line up here. And then downwards this way to try and get it on camera. Down there. A little curve at the top here. The cone, okay. Now what we can do is the face. So there's a curve where it's like a hat. It starts there and it ends about here. Gonna curve it around down there. Now I've got that in. Just little sort of triangular areas. Little curves around, little long triangular bits. This is all the hair. Bits over this way, sort of curve in a bit this on this side. 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe another one there. Come out a bit here. And then there's a chin, kind of there. Curve around and curve up that way. Okay, then I've got a little nose about here. Just a little dink of a nose, little sort of smile there. Got a couple of eyebrows sort of hidden a little bit right at the top here, in between the hair. And got some big old eyes on Joss. One's here, little arc underneath. One's over this way, again little arc underneath. Little wide areas just to show the pupils. There we are. Like that, okay? Cool, got that in. I'm gonna do a little neck now. Neck's gonna come down to about here. On this side, on the left, curving around. On the right, sort of start here, come down and around like that. Okay. Shoulders either side now. So there's a crop top she's wearing. Bring your pen around this way, curve it around. And on this side, bring your pen around, curve it around here. There's a little buckle here that goes down to the trousers. So what I'm going to do is just pop in a nice little rectangular area there. We'll just put another little sort of square rectangle in there. We'll just mark that up there. We'll come down here, there's like end of it comes up there. And then it comes down this way, so actually it comes down sort of this far. So on the outer part, nice little curve here, and the inner part sort of comes in sort of that way there. Okay. Now let's just do this torso area. So the crop top comes down sort of this way, and then what it does, it links up to that edge there. And then we've got another little line here. What we do have is the crop top comes down here, nice curving around and along this way. A couple of shoulder blades around here, so just pop those in like that. And now I've got those in, I think what I'll do is do the arms. So on this side, we've got hands on hips, yeah? On this side, I'm gonna have the arm coming out, so the shoulder area is about here. And it comes out to the elbow here. Probably cuts in to about there. And that will just come along and join up there. This arm now comes down to about here where the wrist is. So we're going to do a line down this way and a line down this way, like that. The hand is sort of at an angle, so it pops over, so it kind of pops around this way, down. We've got a finger here, 1, finger here, 2, finger here, 3, 1 here, 4, and a hint of a thumb on that side there, 5. Then there's almost like a little crisscross around that, so I'm just gonna mark a couple of little areas there, maybe just a little dink on the edge of the elbow. On this side, the torso comes down to about here, so let's just draw that in. To about here. Then I'm going to draw elbow down to about here, and come in this way, same sort of thing. So from here, elbow is about this point here. Curve it around and out and elbow. Come inwards to about this point, and then we'll just, that's it, join it up there. Then we're going to come down this way. The wrist area is about here, so on the inside, bring your pen in there, and on the outer side, bring your pen in to about this point here. There's a little dink there where the hand sort of comes out, and what I'll do is just follow that. So we've got 1 finger here, 1, 2, 3, and there's a finger sort of hidden down here, so that's the 4th one, and a thumb goes around behind that. Just here, the overall sort of come down a bit, so I'm just going to draw a line up like that. And as we come down here, this sort of area comes down here, sort of scoops out here, then it, where we've got this link with the finger, it'll sort of come down this way, this sort of comes down here, it comes out to here where there's another strap, sort of like the shoulder bits come down to here. So bring your pen out, join it up, and then there's another little bit where it will link along. Just in there, just a little bit of detail, there's a couple of little like bands, so I'm just gonna pop those in there. Cool, okay, got the head, got the arms, overalls are working here. There is a belt that comes around this way, so maybe just get this in here, belt there, almost like a little rectangular curved element here. Come into about that point, we'll come out here, join it up, draw another little pop there, join up. There's a strap that comes out this way, so I'm just gonna draw that down there and then link that back up to here. There's almost like a little circular element behind these bits, so just draw that in. A little bit of creasing. Another little rectangular element that comes out here. And then I think I'm happy to start drawing the rest of trousers in. So on this outer part here, I notice that there is a little bit that comes down here. And here, on the outer part, I'm gonna go down to the knee area here. So from about this point, about there, just draw some chunky trousers in there. A line there, a line down to about here, and a line to about here. And then this outer part, let's go from this edge point here, come down to there. Now, there's some holes in the trouser areas. So I'm gonna draw little bits just kicking out from that, curve around there. Just have it sort of kicking out around there. Nice sort of chunky little V's and things like that. Same on this side, we're kind of gonna come out and around here, kind of comes out a bit there, just come up and down and then curve it off. And then behind that, we see the legs. So I'm going to pop a line here and a line here. Let's colour in behind that. And on this side, sort of a line here and a line here. Let's just colour those in. Like that. Cool. Let's continue these legs. So this one, they're real big, chunky, baggy trousers. So on the outer part, let's just continue this line down here, and then it kind of waves out a little bit as it ripples over at the bottom. Bring it around, like just curve it around a bit there on the inner, and then we'll just go in and just join that up. And then on the outer side, let's go from this inner point first, just down, just draw some little wavy, curvy bits around here, and we'll go right up to the top there. Okay, shoes are quite like chunky, almost like boots or wellies. So I'm gonna come down to about here. I'm gonna draw about this point, come around here, draw some little chunky bits and in. Then we're just gonna draw like that sole area in there. And this side, it comes more out this way. I'm gonna pop my pen down to about here, come around like this, and join up there. Again, we'll just join it up with some real chunky sort of boot areas there. Okay, I've got that outer area done. Let's go back up to the top. Let's just draw some extra detail in. So, what I think I'll do is just colour this area in first. Let's just colour this bit. This is a really good bit. It's all dark around here, so why not just get the pen, just colour in the darker detailed area with a nice bit of ink. Makes the picture pop a little bit. Cool. Right. Okay, that's done. That looks good. So what we do next, just add a little bit more detail. So up here, there's another little link here. We've got a couple of little triangular elements just on the t-shirt top. There's a little skull in here, so it's like cartoony. So I'm going to just pop a nice little circle, draw some little wavy bits come up, and then I'm going to pop a couple of eyes in, and then there's like a few little circular elements around. We'll just join those up. Just a bit of fun there. There's some little straps going on the belly too. So we come out from about here. What we could do is just colour these in. One strap's there, one comes around this way, and then there's another one sort of around here, so let's draw another little strap down there. As we come down to the trousers, I think a lot of this is filled in. This is like a glove here, this is a hand. There's a little rectangular element there, maybe just a couple of little sort of stress points on these baggy trousers. There's a line in the middle, sort of goes down to the centre. We're just going to populate those in a little bit of wiggle there, come down here. A few little curves as we get to the end there, so a few little nice little curved bits going on there. Wiggle the pen around a bit, just give that sense that they're really baggy. Yeah, that's cool. This little baggy comes down here and here. Maybe just a bit up here, it's a bit more distressed. And up there. And maybe just want to just add a little bit of like a pop. Just a bit chunky, just join up some of those areas where we've drawn the figure. So just join it all up now. So it's nice thick lines on the outer. Always looks good. I don't want to make the arms too thick, but it's quite nice having a bit of thicker lines now and again. Just adds a nice little bit of oomph to our picture. There we go, and there we have it. That is Joss from Fortnite Lawless. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else to draw, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.